In this video, I will be sharing with you a machine learning strategy and an indicator that identify a retest based on breakup support and resistance. It is hard for some beginner traders to spot a support and resistance or understand when price has broken above or below support or resistance. This AI indicator that I'm about to share with you solves this problem because it marks the market support and resistance and also indicate break and retest of the support and resistance. The indicator is very easy and simple to use. This indicator works in all financial market, whether it's Forex, crypto or commodities. This AI indicator is so profitable if you understand how to use it correctly. So stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to be sharing in details everything you need to know about this indicator. Please, before we go into the video, use 2 seconds of your time to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without any other delays, let's start. The indicator that I will be discussing with you is called retest support and resistance signal. The retest support resistance signals indicator works by drawing out support and resistance levels automatically on your chart. These are the levels where the price tends to bounce or reverse. When the price breaks through these levels, it indicates a possible trend change. To add the indicator to the chart, simply go to the indicator search bar, then search for retest support and resistance signal. Select the one made by Chart Prime. The indicator also shows when the price retests these levels, which means it comes back to test them again. This can be a good opportunity to enter or exit a trade depending on the direction of the trend. Before we discuss more about this indicator, let's go to the indicator setting to explore it. On the input setting, here you can see that on detection method that it has 2 options, which are the wicks and the body. When you set it on the wick, it means that the support and resistance will start from the wick of the candlesticks. And if you set it to the body, it means that the resistance and support will start from the body of the candlesticks. Here you can also see the left and right bars, which you can change to any number of your choice. You need to know that the more numbers, less signals, so we leave it at default. This indicator uses chart patterns and a special algorithm to identify a break of level and a retest of the level. And when it identifies a retest of a level, it will print R on the chart. In this strategy, the R that the indicators print when it retests a level will serve as an entering signal. When it breaks a support, making it a resistance, and it retests the resistance, it will print a red R that will serve as a sell signal. And when it breaks a resistance, making it a support, and price come back to retest the support, it will print a green R that will serve as buy signal. Now let's see how we can place a trade using this indicator. Here we see that price has broken out of a resistance, making it a support. Then we wait to see price retesting the support. And we need to see the indicator printing a green R to give us a buy signal. After all this condition are met, then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss below the candle that retests the support and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. Now let's see how we can enter a sell trade using this indicator. Here we see that price has broken a support, making it a resistance. Then we wait to see a retest of the resistance. When it retests, we will be looking to see if it prints a red R to tell us that price is going down. And after seeing all this confirmation, we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss some pips above the candle wick that retests the resistance level, targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. Looking at the indicator, we see that the indicator in some places it provides a false signal. In order to avoid the false signals, you need to know when the market is on trend. And for those who don't know how to identify a trend, this is when we apply another indicator that will help us to identify trends. So the indicator that we will be using is called moving average exponential. To add this indicator on our chart, we navigate to the indicator search bar and search for EMA. Select the moving average exponential made by TradingView. Add 2 of it because we will be needing 2. This indicator will help us to identify trend, but before we talk more on how the indicator works, let's set the indicator for more visibility and more understanding of it. Then we go to the indicator setting on the input setting, set the length to 100. change the method from SMA to EMA and leave other setting to its default. And go to Style setting and set the color to white. Then go to the second moving average setting. On the input setting, set the length to 50 and change the method from SMA to EMA and leave other setting to its default. How this indicator works is that when price is on uptrend, the 50 moving average will cross above the 100 moving average and they will be trading below the candles. And when price is on downtrend, the 50 moving average will cross below the 100 moving average and they will be trading above the candles. Looking here, you will see that price was consolidating and both 50 and 100 moving average was moving in a zigzag way. Which means that whenever price consolidate, the moving averages will move in a zigzag way. So, in general view, by the use of the moving averages, when you see that price is on downtrend, all you need to do is ignore all the buy signal that the AI indicator give you. And when you see that price is on uptrend, ignore all the sell signal given by the AI indicator. Let's see example how we can enter a buy trade combining the two indicators. When you see that the 50 moving average has crossed below the 100 moving average, trading above the candles, telling you that price is on downtrend, and you see that price has broken a support making it a resistance, then you wait to see a retest of the resistance. When it retests the resistance, you will wait to see it printing a red R, which means sell. When all this condition are met, then you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss some pips above the candle that retests the resistance and targeting to risk-reward ratio. Let's see how we can enter a buy trade using the indicator. Seeing that the 50 moving average has crossed above the 100 moving average, trading below the candles, which tells you that price is on uptrend. And you see that price has broken a resistance making it a support. Then you wait to see price retesting the support. When it retests, you wait to see it printing a green R, which means buy. After all this condition are met, you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss below the candle that retests the support and targeting to risk-reward ratio. So traders, as we come to the end of this video, if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. And please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, see you on our next video.